Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to SN Mix channel. Today's topic is Google Meet video meeting service free to all. So today we'll discuss about Google Meet video conferencing app. But before start, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics may be discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Okay friends, now today we'll discuss on Google Meet. Google Meet video meeting service free to all from upcoming weeks to takes on Zoom. With Google Meet, everyone will be able to do video conferencing for free. Now competing with Zoom. Zoom cloud meeting app is very popular. Now Google is making video conferencing app for free, and so it is competing with Zoom cloud meeting app. Google video conference. Google has given a free blow to the video conferencing app Zoom, freeing Google Meet for everyone. So now Google Meet is free for everyone. With the Google Meet app, anyone can now make video calling or conference for free. Explain that earlier Google Meet was only for G Suite users. G Suite President Javier Solaro said that we have announced to make Google Meet free, and during the corona epidemic we have taken this decision to keep users around the world close to their own. Google online meeting. Video conferencing has seen a significant increase in lockdown. Classes of colleges, schools around the world are running through video conferencing only. Also, most people are away from home. In such a situation, video calling during lockdown is their support. The Zoom video calling app has benefited the most in the lockdown caused by coronavirus, and the company was also not aware that people would use such a number of Zoom. Although after the hack of 5 lakh accounts, questions have been raised about the privacy of this Zoom. The government of India has also issued a warning regarding the use of Zoom app. So for this privacy, the Zoom app is banned in India. There are not use this Zoom cloud meeting app, and Google Meet app is now free. So everyone is using Google Meet app instead of Zoom cloud meeting app. Google Meet video call. Google has said in its blog that we have been working hard for years to make video conferencing safe and reliable. Google Meet has been appreciated by all the schools, colleges, governments and companies of the world. Google Meet web. Google has said that free access to Google Meet will be released to all by next week. After Google Meet is free, Google is directly compete with Facebook Messenger Room and Zoom cloud meeting app. And Google Meet can also have 250 people at a time, and Facebook Messenger Room allows 50 people at a time. Okay friends, now we'll watch the official report for this Google Meet app. Google Meet premium video meeting free for everyone. Now this is Javier Solterio, the Vice President and GM of G Suite. A technology that connects us while we are apart helps keep us safe and productive. Over the past few months, we have seen the power of video meeting brings us together, whether we are working with teammates, talking to healthcare professionals, sharing with loved ones, or learning from home. Today we are making Google Meet, our premium video conferencing product, free for everyone. With availability rolling out over the coming weeks, we have invested years in making Meet a secure and reliable video conferencing solution that is trusted by schools, governments and enterprise around the world. And the recent months, we have accelerated the release of top requested features to make it even more helpful. Starting in the early May, anyone with an email address can sign up for Meet and enjoy many of these same features available to our businesses and education users, such as simple scheduling and screen sharing, real-time captions and layouts that adapt to your preferences, including an expanded title view. And it is important that everyone who uses Meet has a secure and reliable experience from the start. So beginning next week, we will be gradually expanding its availability to more and more people over the following weeks. This means you might not be able to create meetings at meet.google.com right away, but you can sign up to be notified when it is available. Meet operates on secure foundation, keeping users safe, data secure, and information private, including between patients and caregivers. Video meeting building on a secure foundation. Google Meet is designed, built, and operated to be secured at scale. Since January, we have seen Meet's peak daily users grow by 30x. As of this month, Meet is hosting 3 billion minutes of video meeting and adding roughly 3 million new users every day. And as of last week, Meet's daily meeting participants surpassed 100 million. With this growth comes great responsibility. Privacy and security are paramount, no matter if it is a doctor sharing confidential health information with a patient, a financial advisor hosting a client meeting, or people virtually connecting with each other for graduations, holidays, and happy hours. Our approach to security is simple: make products safely and default. We design Meet to operate on a secure foundation, providing the protections needed to keep our users safe, their data secure, and their information private. Here are just a few of our default on safe measures. We provide a strong set of host controls, such as the ability to admit or deny entry to a meeting and mute or remove participants if needed. We do not allow any anonymous users, that is, without a Google account, to join meeting created by individual accounts, and meeting codes are complex by default and therefore resilient or brute force guessing. And Meet video meetings are encrypted by transit, and all recordings stored in Google Drive are encrypted in transit and at rest. We don't require plugins to use Meet on the web. It works entirely in Chrome and other modern browsers, so it is less vulnerable and to secure threats. On mobile, we have dedicated users Meet app in their Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Meet users can enroll their accounts Google Advanced Protection Program, our strongest protections available against phishing and account hijacking. And Google Cloud undergoes regular rigorous security and privacy audits for all its services. Our global compliance certifications can help people regulatory requirements such as GDPR and HIPAA, as well as COPPA, COPPA, and FERPA for education. Your Meet data is not used for advertising, and we don't sell your data to third parties. We operate a highly secured and resilient private network that encircles the globe and connects our data centers to each other, ensuring that your data stays safe. Trust is built on transparency, and we publish the locations of all our data centers. You can learn more about how Meet keeps your video meetings safe in this post. Free Google Meet accounts for individuals. You can use Meet to schedule, join, or start secure video meetings with anyone. For a virtual yoga class, weekly book club, neighborhood meetings, or a happy tour with friends. Until now, Meet has only been available as part of G Suite, our collaborations with productivity solutions for business, organizations, and schools. Going forward, Meet will be available to anyone for free on the web at meet.google.com. meet.google.com. First log in this and via mobile apps or iOS or Android. And if you use Gmail or Google Calendar, you will be able to easily start to join from there too, and use your existing Google account to start secure meeting in Google Meet app. If you have an existing Google account, for example, if you are any email at gmail.com users, sign in at meet.google.com to get started. If you don't have free Google account, it only takes a minute to create one. Use your work or personal email address of choice. We require this step to security measures, and you will only need to do this once. So once you created your Gmail account, then you can sign in with this meet.google.com. Meetings are limited to 60 minutes for free products, though we will not enforce this time limit until after 30th September. Creating a trusted meeting space is important, and being mindful when sharing meetings links. Public forums can help create a safe experience for all attendees. And for more tips how to use Meet securely, effectively, visit us from this Meet Help Center. And Google Meet for groups and teams. Google within an organizations can also use Meet to create video meeting that help co-workers connect one-on-one, collaborate as a team, and more. For organizations that are not already G Suite customers, today we are announcing G Suite Essentials. G Suite Essentials is perfect for teams that needs access to Meet's more advanced features such as dial-in phone numbers, large meetings, and meetings recording. G Suite Essentials also includes Google Drive for easy and secure access to all of the team's content, and document sheets and slides for content creation and real-time collaboration. Through September 30th September, we are providing G Suite Essentials and all these advanced features free for charge. If you interested, G Suite Essentials, complete this form to get touch to our sales team. And Google Meet for business and organizations, whether it is hospitals surprising patients via telehealth, bank working with loan applications, retailers assisting customers remotely, or manufacturers interacting safely with warehouse technicians. Businesses across every industry are using Meet to stay connected. If you are one of the 6 million companies and organizations that use G Suite to power remote productivity, you already access to Meet. Admins simply need to enable Meet by following instruction outlined or on our help center. In the spirit of being helpful during this time, we are providing 3 ways for new and current enterprise customers to access Meet through 30th September. Free access to Meet advanced features for all G Suite customers, such as ability to live stream for up to 1 lakh viewers within your domain. Free additional Meet license for existing G Suite customers without any amendments to their current interacts. Free G Suite Essentials for enterprise customers. And Google Meet is a schools and higher education institution. Many schools and colleges today use Meet to power secure virtual classes, PTA meetings, parent-teacher conferences, tutoring, and even school socials. Meet is including in G Suite for education, which serves more than 120 million students and teachers globally. If your school already uses G Suite for education, your administrator can enable Meet and no additional cost. If your school does not use G Suite for education, you can sign up here to access resource for distance learning, visit tech from home. Our hope is that the making Meet G Suite more readily available for all, it will be easier to stay connected with productive now and in the future. Okay friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know that Google Meet video meeting service is free to all users, and everybody is use this Google Meet in free in upcoming weeks. And I think you will like this video and you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.